We will show you how to perform basic preventative maintenance on the H32 Hydratouch Crimping Machine. You will notice that there is an icon in the top right corner of the screen showing a can and brush. This is the grease indicator for the H32. When this icon is visible, it means that the machine must be greased. To grease this machine and reset the grease indicator, select the button at the top center showing the wrench and hammer. This is the settings button. Press the top center button showing the counter. This will go to the internal counters. The counter on the left is the number of remaining crimp cycles before greasing is required. In this instance, the number of remaining crimp cycles is 0, which means that this crimper needs to be greased. To grease this machine, open the grease that came with the crimping machine and use the supplied paintbrush. Dip the brush in the grease and coat the bristles with grease. Be sure that the crimping head is in the fully retracted position and apply grease to the surface behind the dies at the rear of the crimping head. Apply the grease in a circular motion, making sure that the entire surface is coated evenly. Once the crimping head has been greased, click on the remaining crimps. Change the value to the desired interval. The manufacturer recommends greasing this machine after every 250 crimps. Change this value to 250 and press Done. Once you press Done, the remaining crimps changes to 250 from 0, and the grease icon is no longer visible at the top right of the screen. Press the red arrow at the bottom left of the screen to return to the settings menu. Press the red arrow at the bottom left of the screen to return to the main menu.